So we'll check like whenever we received the class A in two types, like one we received in another month and the next revision will be received nowadays. So how we can check like any change is there. So what is the procedure we need to have? So firstly, you need to add that two surfaces class A, like here we have the part 3 and part 1. So part 3 is nothing but the original revision we have received, old revision, and part 1 is nothing but the new revision we're going to be have. So what we need to do, we need to go to the start window. You can find somewhere here we're going to be a digital mockup. In that we're going to be the DME space analysis. So in this DME space analysis we can check somewhere here the toolbar will be in this toolbar. So name of the toolbar, you can find something like DME space analysis. In this toolbar we'll get the options over here at the last, that compare product. Okay, so with the compare product what we can do, we will get that analysis. So here we have the old revision, we have the new revision. You can select the old one. So we have old as a blue color 3, and the new is something like the part 1 we have in brown. And here we're going to go for preview. So once you click on the preview, you can check there will be a color deviation. Okay, so color deviation with respect to red, we're going to have yellow. So yellow is nothing but absolutely match. Okay, and if there is a deviation in green, green is nothing but this is the original surface, and red is nothing but the deviation what we have get into the new surface. Okay, so red is not matching the surface, so this we can highlight with respect to, you can grab the screenshot, you can share with or highlight this particular point wherever we have change. So change in this particular area. Okay, so this is how we can highlight. So in this particular area we have change. Okay, so this we can honor. So something like this we can do the change or classes surface if anything it change. So we can compare. So we can just compare with respect to this particular compare product command, which we're going to be get into the DOME analysis. Okay, so here you can check this is the command we're going to be have.